So change this mixed number into an improper fraction. 5 and 4/5. Drawing a picture of this, draw 5 pizzas. There's 5. And let's draw the extra 4/5 over here. 1, 2, 3, 4 out of 5, 4/5. But then let's change all these whole pizzas into fifths as well. So you can see how many fifths we've got in total. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's obviously 5 there. Another 5 there. That's 10, 15, 20, 25. So far there's 25 fifths there. And another 4/5 there, which is a total of 29 fifths. There is a shortcut, but you need to understand the picture before you can then start to apply the shortcut. It's not just about memorizing it, but the shortcut would be 5 times 5 and then add on 4. 5 5s are 25 plus the 4 is 29 fifths. So that would be okay if you understand what you're doing on that one. Change this to an improper fraction. So change this improper fraction back to mixed numbers. 36 36ths is 1 whole. Then we've got another 36 36. That's going to be 2 wholes. 108 36ths is 3 wholes, and so on. So basically up the top here, you're doing the 36 times table. And just to support you with the calculator, 36 times 7, 252 36ths is equal to 7 wholes. Right, and then we've got to see how many we've got left over. 261 take away answer, and 9. And we've got 7 and 9 36ths. But it does say, simplify the fractions bit. That bit there, 9 36ths, is the same as using equivalent fractions, is the same as a quarter. So our final answer to that one would have been 7 and a quarter. Improper fraction, mixed number. So without a calculator, we need to show how we do this one. With a calculator, you'd use this fractions button here and just literally tap that in. So tap that in and open up the mixed fraction number. But actually it says without a calculator. We're going to change this into improper fraction, which is 18 fifths. That's the same. Take away 8 thirds. Now that's 1 mark if you get that far. But we need to get the denominators to be the same. You can't do anything with adding and taking away until you get the denominators to be the same. So 15 would be my common denominator, times by 3 on the bottom, times by 3 on the top. So again, calculator 18 times 3 is 54. So that is 54 15ths. Those two things are exactly the same. Times by 5 on the bottom, times by 5 on the top. That's exactly the same as that. So these two things are the same, they're equivalent. These two things are the same, they're equivalent. So this calculation is the same as this calculation. And we can now use, because we've got the common denominator, we can now just take the tops away. 14 15ths, final answer.